Take all the seat covers on. All that was home.
How you doing, my friend?
Yeah, I know. Now that one dude had him before.
No, I like the way it's decorated.
Really?
skip anything, and he just got that gangbusters
Was
stuff.
it the gangbusters?
Well, that's the only thing I can think of.
That's what I was thinking, but it was Bruce. I was stuck and I thought, how do you know? I'll have to check on the gangbusters.
Now, if you want to, that's why
Got one you can spare with you. What'd you say, Kyle?
There's a couple of them still because they've been there for so long.
I did one of those. Yeah.
And I looked at some of the spot parts.
That's basically, I don't know. Basically, it's just a stock Mustang, an AMT kit. They just, yeah. They just put it in a box.
Thank you. Blue is a full white vinyl top and a white interior. 250 straight seats in the front.
Well, yeah. Some checks, so. That's great.
Yeah. So yeah. And then we opened the restaurant on Maple Street.
Well, I was going to put 40 on it. Get like that. Yeah, we.
Hey, how's it going? The interesting thing about
I like glasses. Partially filled box I got sitting on the table will probably fill these spaces. Maybe restock it. Or I'll just stock this back up and then continue to fill that. I wish I could run this night.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
You good?
So you take part in 35 and you remelt the whole 170 cores.
You built a trailer, didn't you?
Yeah. No, I think anybody was saying that because the trailer that came with one of the kids, I think you can't find it. It came with the kids.
Where'd you get the diamond plate?
That's plastic.
Yeah.
That's a railroad. Typically a railroad.
Have you ever looked at the
I looked at them one time at Doc's Caboose. You been there? Yeah. Looked at them there and I couldn't envision.
It's hard to see anyway.
Yeah.
But I've used a lot of them. Simply because they look very good, and especially when it's really good and really the cars, and the cars can go on.
Yeah.
So when the car gets past the line, they can go with the road and the color.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the side light that shines down on the numbers.
Well, but the older cars didn't have it's a long car. They didn't.
Well, I'll start.
See the number or something.
He was taking alcohol in prohibition.
And make a sandwich. So you're making a sandwich.
No. There's something I found on some kind of fabric. When you go to, used to be, you could go to Joann's
Yeah.
and they'd have like a clearance with some burnt ends, that's what I called them, just little the last remains of a roll of fabric or something. They have all kinds of stuff.
My wife was heartbroken when they closed.
Yeah.
We go there all the time. I sit in the car and take a nap.
Is that
and sit
natural?
there.
Yeah. Well, that's one place I went and looked at model wood.
Oh, I did too. I bought some hot lights there on sale. And, you know, odds and ends paint. Some their paints are expensive, but sometimes their colors you can find them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this out here. You
Hang
should-
on, I'll go with you. I'm almost wrapped up here.
All right. You want me to carry something?
No, I should be able to stack it with you.
All right. So you could probably set that right on the floor and then just kind of kick it along. You know?
I thought about just tying it to the rib on there. In case there's not enough, you know, we bought a lot of stuff in the floor.
That loader will be slamming down right now.
First off, I'd like to thank everyone for coming out to the 12th annual Nebraska Challenge. Appreciate you coming out, spending your time and money to be here, and taking care of our vendors. Thanks for all the guys that sponsor. Got a
trade you this for the donut. I'm just Hold on, bud. There you go.
Don't drop the donut.
Yeah, you got a lot of stuff.
And first place in the junior class goes to Armin Crampy with their McDonald's t-shirt.
Good job.
In the team class, which was also sponsored by Nebraska Auto Manager, we only had one entry, and then we have a check with the 74 F100.
There you go, sir.
Moving into the adult classes with box stock, which is sponsored by AK Collectibles. Third place goes to Robert Corello with a 63 Impala. Second place goes to Chad Truss with his 93 Alfa Romeo. And first place in box stock goes to Brandon Richardson with the 68 Dodge Dart.
Good job.
Modified box stock, which is sponsored by the Mid-American Nationals. Third place goes to Dave Pentecost with the 71 Plymouth Duster.
Always.
Yep.
Thank you.
Like the way you flared up.
Second place goes to Robert Corello with the 62 Impala.
What the heck?
I call that a fix.
I think so. If they come
One
first,
club rubbing another club's back.
And first place goes to Mike Despain with his little coffin. Street Rod class, sponsored by Peterson Body Shop. Third place goes to Alex Flint with his 41 Mercury, or excuse me, 41 Lincoln.
Wait, if you don't fold them up, they ain't gonna fit. Oh. Hey, smart.
Second place goes to John Kumpel with his 44 sedan delivery.
Good job.
And first place goes to Alan Goya with his 25 T-Buck.
Big. Fix.
Street Machine class, sponsored by Casey Slammers Fun Car Club.
Now, if the Slammers win this whole class, it's fixed.
Oh, yeah.
Third place goes to Kenny Kava with
Slammers
his
win this whole
72
class,
Breeze.
it's fixed. Street machine. Street machine class. I don't know.
Second place goes to Terry Wilson with the 68 Charger.
No. I know, huh?
And first place goes to Terry Wilson also with the 69 Camaro.
The gray one. The gray one.
Custom class, sponsored by Midwest Models of St. Joe, Missouri. Third place, Mike Despain with his head drop Mystery. Second place goes to the Burn Lion with his Beatnik Bandit.
Next week.
Oh, I was
First place in the custom class goes to Adam Bolt with his 56 Chevy Del Rey. Third place goes to Tim Friedrich with his 65 Chevelle. Second place also goes to Tim Friedrich with the sprint car.
Oh, that's South Dakota people.
You gotta pay them to come down here. Give them them trophies.
First place in competition circle track goes to Terry Wilson with his Jeff Ford SS. Competition straight line brought to you by the Mid-American Nationals. Third place goes to Mike Despain with the 65 Cuda.
Yep.
Second place goes to John Kumpel with his Jawbreaker. And first place in competition straight line goes to Dave Check with the 65 Nova.
Yes, I did. Mike, you need to get yourself.
Light and heavy commercial. Third place goes to Alex Flint with his mail truck. Second place goes to Robert Corello with his 71 Mac.
Mix.
In first place also goes to Robert Corello with his 50 Freightliner. Pick up an SUV class. Third place goes to Alex Flint with his 64 F100. Second place goes to Scott Kramer with his Total Bronco. Was that your truck?
Yeah. I did that on the road.
And first place goes to Alan Loya with his 99 Dodge.
Is it fixed?
Diecast and pre-meted. Third place goes to Ken Allery with his meter reader. Second place goes to Tim Friedrich with his Kodiak stock car. First place in diecast pre-painted goes to Nathan Reisdorf with his 1950 John Deere. Curbside Slammer, third place. Bill Barker with his 66 Lola.
Hey, did you return and get a picture?
Oh, geez, I didn't know. I'm sure that missed
That's
that.
enough. That's it. I don't want
Did you? Okay.
to get it later.
Second place goes to Chad Truss with his 95 Honda Accord. And first place goes to Tim Hill with his 2012 Raptor. Diorama class only had 2 entries. Second place goes to Dave Morrow with his construction worker. Second place goes to Dave Alvin with his Harley Davidson. Hang on, Dave. You also got first place with your Yamaha Garage. Miscellaneous class. Third place goes to Scott Kramer with the 68 Chevelle. Second place goes to Alan Boya with his go-kart. Hey, Alan, you also got first place with your engine dyno. All right, moving on to the specialty awards. We'll start with the best engine class. And that also goes to Alan Moya with his engine dyno. Best paint goes to Adam Folk with his 56 Chevy. Best interior goes to Terry Wilson in his 68 Dodge Charger. Best theme, which was this year was Chevelles and Malibus in memory of Steve Kohler. And the best theme this year went to Dave Check with his 65 Chevelle.
Thank you. It's flat, man.
The Nebraska Challenge Champion for 2026 goes to Terry Wilson with the 69 Camaro. Once again, thank you everybody for coming out. Safe travels.